Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy. First, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, keeping your body relaxed. Begin by gently shifting your weight from one foot to the other, finding a comfortable rhythm. Bend your knees slightly, allowing your body to stay loose and fluid. This foundational movement is key to building your sturdy dance. Now, let's add some arm movements to enhance your sturdy. As your legs move, allow your arms to swing naturally, almost mirroring the leg work. Keep your elbows bent at approximately a 90-degree angle for a relaxed yet controlled look. Coordinating these arm and leg movements will help you achieve a smoother, more dynamic flow in your dance. Once you have the basic sturdy steps down, it's time to infuse your own personality into the dance. Try incorporating subtle head bobs or shoulder shimmies to add flair. Don't be afraid to experiment with different footwork variations or even a simple turn. Practicing in front of a mirror will help you refine these additions and develop a unique, confident style. To truly master the sturdy, consistent practice is essential. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes daily, focusing on fluidity and rhythm. Listen to upbeat music that makes you want to move, as this will naturally enhance your performance. Remember, embracing mistakes is part of the learning journey, so stay confident and enjoy the process of getting sturdy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.